Hi, Big Engineer here. Welcome to All Aboard Fun. I'm with Brick Hunter. He's also a YouTuber.
Hi, this is Brick Hunter. I'm from the YouTube Lego channel, and it's very nice to meet you, Big Engineer.
Tell me about your YouTube channel. Is your channel about Lego trains or Legos?
Yeah, actually, on my channel, I do a monthly update on my Lego city. And in my city, I have a Lego train going around my entire city.
What do you like about Lego trains?
I think Lego trains stand out from your typical regular train model is that you gotta build it yourself. And also, obviously because it is Lego, you can modify it the way you want to. You could make a complete train just from the train Lego elements you have. And just create your own train. I think that's the appeal of Lego versus a regular train.
How long did it take you to build your Lego?
I get that question a lot actually, and I never really keep track of how many hours I spend on a build. So I couldn't say, but let's just say a lot of hours.
Tell me about your setup.
So we're looking at this Lego display at the Costa Mesa train event, and this is the Orange County Lego user group. And we have the various buildings around, and with two trains going around with different scenes here. What you're looking at here is the Avengers Tower MOC, and on the left of that is the Doctor Strange Sanctum Sanctorum building. And obviously they're both in the theme of superhero Marvel's universe. Cool. So Big Engineer, do you like Lego? I know you like trains, but do you like Lego?
Yeah, I actually only built a Lego set once, which is the police one, and that's it. Tell me about your YouTube channel.
So my channel is about everything Lego. And I do reviews of my MOCs. Occasionally I'll do regular reviews on sets. I'll do how-to videos on certain builds. And you can find my channel by searching Brick Hunter. And also I'm on Instagram. It's Brick Hunter YouTube.
Thank you for teaching me about Lego trains. Goodbye. All aboard! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.